Hi and welcome to Beautiful Foods TV. I'm showing you in this video how to fry yam chips. There are two ways of peeling yam. You can scrape it down or just cut it into slices and take the skin off. Once the yam is peeled and cut into slices, you slice it further into chips sizes. Once you've sliced into chip sizes, place a bowl of water and add in a little bit of salt. Put the yam in the salted water. The next step is to fry the yam. The fried yam is ready. I fried it in my deep fryer for about 5 minutes, and you can eat this with any sauce of your choice. I've got the Nando's peri peri sauce, but you can have it with fried stew or even fried egg. I hope you try this at home and happy eating. Thank you.